Oh, how we're gonna have some fun today. I've got such a cool tool to show you. I can't wait. So this is a fan, which sounds really boring. Like, what are you... Yeah. What are you doing with a regular old fan? Well, this fan is powerful, which is really interesting. This is supposed to replace those compressed air canisters that you buy. You spend $5 on a can of compressed air, it lasts like 2 minutes, and then you throw it out and you have to go buy another one. Instead of doing that, let me show you this fan. This thing is so cool that I almost broke my anemometer. So this I use to measure wind speed. I bought it for kiteboarding, but turns out it works really well for testing fans. And this fan almost broke it. So I'm gonna show you what that looks like. There's a power button on this guy, and I've taken all the attachments off. You saw me kind of throw this one off, which I think this is like the best attachment for it. It originally comes with this one, you know, a little bit of funneling action going on there. So right now with no attachment, I have my anemometer set, and I'm gonna just go ahead and turn it on. It does kind of a whistling sound, so I'm probably gonna do some noise cancellation to stop the whistling sound that it makes. All right, and we're gonna stop it, and I'm gonna show you. So this says 66 miles per hour. That is what this guy is blowing out at, 66 miles per hour. Also, this is really cool. It's got like a little magnifying glass on here. I cannot get it to work with the camera, but just imagine that it's a magnifying glass. So that's pretty cool. I really like that as a bonus because, I mean, it is meant to get stuff out. So if you've got something stuck in, say, your phone charger port or something, then this would be the tool to try to get that out. So let me show you some of these attachments that we've got. This attachment kind of has what I was thinking in mind with the phone charger port. So the attachments just clip on like that. And this attachment here has these little brushes so it can blow. There's no putting it on light. If you turn this thing on, it's just all or nothing. Like, they go vroom vroom. It's really heavy too because it's got a big battery in it. And you can see the battery life right here on the back. So with this, you just turn it on. And I can't do it. Okay, you just turn it on, and then you can use the little bristles to get in and kind of scrape stuff away while the air is blowing whatever it is away. This is the one that I think is the most forceful attachment, and the one that I almost broke my anemometer with because it just went ham. I mean, that was 66 miles an hour without having an attachment on it at all. So if you funnel that air, you're looking at like 100+ miles an hour. Turns out this thing just stops saying numbers and starts saying letters at some point. So this thing is very powerful, and I will say I haven't ran it to like run the battery out. So this is even with the full charge either, and I am crazy impressed with it. I'm gonna see if I can't do something silly and just try to blow this box over. Yeah, that's silly. That doesn't even start to kind of express how powerful this is. So I will just, as a thing, if you're just trying to get a can of compressed air and instead of that you want to buy a device, this is the answer to that. I will never be buying a can of compressed air again. This product solves that completely. It also has this little attachment here that funnels it even tighter, but it does have that little piece on the end so the air doesn't just kind of destroy whatever it's touching. So there's that too. It comes with a charger, little charge cable. You don't really get the bricks anymore, so you have to have your own USB, but that's pretty cool. It also comes with some kind of cleaning tools. So that's nice too if you're trying to clean something out. So it's really a good kit for cleaning out your phone, cleaning out a computer, cleaning out any kind of sensitive thing, or just trying to blow the stuff out of the little compartment in your car where you've dropped stuff and you just want to get it out of there. Instead of a vacuum, you can blow it out. If you're just looking for like a regular fan to cool yourself with, I would not recommend it for that. This is so overkill for that, it's crazy. This thing is so cool. I can't express enough like how cool this thing is. I want to put another one of these little attachments on it here. Okay, so this is the one it came with. It's kind of the generic funnel the air attachment. And I don't really know what we can do. I could show you the air. So I've just got this kind of filter here with this bag. And as you can see, it just goes crazy. This thing blows so hard. It's wild, honestly. Oh, I just realized this has a light. So you have a magnifying glass here, and it comes with a light too. So you can see what you're working on. So if you're trying to get something out and you're trying to blow it out, you also have the magnifying glass with the light, so you can see what's going on, what's in there, and really clean it out. I think they've thought of everything with this product. This is actually just super cool, and it's fun to hold. I really like the kind of form factor of it and the weight. It's just really cool. I don't know what else to say. This is my favorite product I've ever done a review on. I think this thing is just really cool. And you can throw it in your toolbox because it comes in this case, and it's like a hard, thick case. So that's really nice. It's got a really nice case. It's got all of your little attachments. We've got like a brush with a really nice funnel for this thing. You've got your little coming to a point with a little tip. You've got the one you're probably gonna use, which just blows air super hard. You've got your charger. You've got your little implements there. It comes with a little guide that would have probably told me about the light that comes on for your magnifying glass. It's just a little button right there. And then the way it works, you have a power button right here to turn it on. And then this is where you slide it to make it go ham. And that's kind of how you turn it on and turn it off. So you pre-stage it, get it turned on, and then you use this to actually make it start blowing and stop blowing. So that'd be like your button on a blower. So this is a really powerful tool. I think this is super cool. If you're looking for a replacement for compressed air, I can think of so many things to use this for, but if you need to blow some concentrated air really hard, this is the tool for that. But yeah, that's about it. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. I just wanted to show you guys how cool this thing is. It'll just blow its own case away. It just doesn't care. I could blow all that stuff off too, but I'm not picking it up. But yeah, that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.